Hi guys, this is Vishwa and you're watching Vishwa Technologic YouTube channel. So today I am very much happy that we have been received the speed post from the Google. So in this video I am going to show you with the proof. So what is the use of that post, so what we need to do. So in this video I am going to explain in detail. So before going to the video, friends, thank you for your love and support. So we have been reached the 4K subscribers and we have been got the post from the Google. So in this video I am going to explain in detail what is the use of that, so what we need to do with that. So before going to the video, if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel. So before explaining that, so let us see the proof. So I already yesterday uploaded related to this post, so and also I will show it the live proof. So as you can see here, friends, we got it from the AdSense, so for our YouTube channel. So as you can see here, so here we will be getting, and so as you can see here, speed post where we are getting from AdSense, Google AdSense. So let us talk about this. So what is the use of this, so what we need to do with this, so inside what we will get in this post. So in this video I am going to explain in detail, so let us see. So first of all, friends, so this post is helpful for so if you are a YouTuber, if you are a blogger, if you are a app developer, so if you are a developing any websites or like connecting with the AdSense, so if you want to display a monetization, so this post will be come to you. So like, friends, if you are a YouTuber, so I'm a YouTuber, so my AdSense is approved. So for the AdSense approved, so you need an 4,000 hours watch time and 1K subscribers. So it will take 12 months. So if the previous 12 months you need to have in 4,000 hours watch time and 1K subscribers. So if you have this criteria, you will be eligible for the AdSense. So here in the AdSense, friends, so once the ads start displaying, so you will be getting the amount in your AdSense account. So you need to verify the once you reach the $10, so it will request to add your address in the your AdSense. So once you open the AdSense, you need to enter the details. So once you enter the details, so I already uploaded related to this also. So if you need, you can just go to our channel and you can watch that video also. It will be helpful for you. So if you are any using the product of the Google for the monetization, so this video will be helpful for you. So share this video with your friends and family members, so it will be helpful to verify your address. So where you can verify your address, so in this Google post, so AdSense post, you will be getting some code, friends. So you need to enter this in your AdSense account. So once you enter this, so your account will be address will be verified, and if you not enter this address, so you will not get any payment. So in the AdSense, basically we will get, once we cross the $100, we will be getting a payment to our bank account. So in order to get, we need to verify our address. So in the upcoming video I will explain how we can verify this. So I will open this and I will explain you how we can add the code and how we can verify our Google AdSense account, completely verifying our address as well as for the account. And also this will be equal for the same for all the YouTuber or else web blogger, website developer, app developer. If you are using the AdMob also, same policy, friends. So once you reach the $10, so you will be getting the this post for your address. So once you enter the address, make sure that you are entering the correct address, so that you will be getting this post. So once you get this post, you need to enter the code in your AdSense account, so it will be fully approved. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So in the upcoming video I will show you how you can verify your Google AdSense account through this post. So for the latest information about the AdSense, please do subscribe to our channel and like this video and comment your opinion below. So and once again, thank you for your support, friends. So thank you, friends, thank you for watching this video.